Do you want?
Okay, I guess I'll bet another half of my carrot.
You have a fucking 10, don't you?
No.
Okay.
Okay, now what?
Yum,
Okay.
yum, yum.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, I can't bet anything, so it's pretty much you.
Okay. Okay.
Show.
Oh, damn.
Holy
Well, you
shit.
get
So what I-
two whole carrots.
Yep.
Yeah,
So-
we're back at the beginning.
So pretty much, I would have. So you automatically have a pair of 10s, and what you'd have is 2 pair, but then I'd have a higher 2 pair.
So wait, so you know how there's like both pens? So does that mean that we both have those pairs?
Yeah, we both have the pairs of 10s.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
2? Huh?
Oh,
I thought you 2. Okay, I was confused.
Confuzzled.
Okay.
Here, Lorenzo, I'll help you. Maybe because you're.
Hi, Jessica.
What?
Hi.
Hi, Jessica.
No.
Is that video?
No.
Thing?
No. It's your mom.
Oh, thank you, Lorenzo. You're welcome. I love the icing.
Go.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Oh.
I do
Oh,
need-
wait.